Good morning, dear students. Today's date is 7th July 2020, day Tuesday. Today we are going to read a picture. Some of you may say how it can be possible to read a picture. Let's have some fun. Then we are going to learn a new poem. Alright, so let's read this picture. How many of you are ready to read the picture? I will start first, okay? This is the picture of nature, means natural scenery there. We can see two kinds, one and two. One kind is big and very happy, whereas the small one is sad. And today we are going to learn why this kite is sad. Alright, at last it will also be happy like the first one. Then we are seeing some birds are flying in the sky. Sun is shining brightly in the sky, right? One tree is there. Means this picture indicates us something related content. Means this poem is having related content with this picture. Let's see from the poem. Today we are also going to learn some new words from the poem. Now let's read this poem with the help of textbook, and then we are going to learn why the little kite is sad or afraid and why this one is enjoying a lot. So let's read from the textbook. I hope you all are ready with your textbook, pencil, notebook, everything the study related material, right? So let's start reading from my textbook. Poem How the Little Kite Learned to Fly. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I try to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try. Or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. The big kite nodded, ah, well, goodbye. I am off, and he rose toward the tranquil sky. Tranquil means peaceful. See next one. Then the little kite's papers stirred at the sight. Stirred means felt excited. And trembling he shook himself free for flight. Trembling means shaking. First wailing and frightened, then braver grown. Thrilled means pleased and very excited. See, up he rose through the air alone, till the big kite, looking down, could see the little one rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side, while far below he could see the ground, and the boys like small spots moving round. They rested high in the quiet air, and only the birds and the clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. Here, Catherine Pell. Okay, so this poem we have read it. Now let's read one more time as I explained you the meaning in between. See, I never can do it, the little kite said. Said. Now we are going to underline the rhyming words. Said. See, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I try to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try. Or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. The big kite nodded, ah, well, goodbye. Goodbye. I am off, and he rose toward the tranquil sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free from flight. First reeling and frightened, then brave grown. Up he rose through the air alone, grown alone. Then see, till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride as he sailed with the big kite side by side. While far below he could see the ground and the boys like small spots moving round. They rested high in the quiet air, and only the birds and the clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried, and all because I was brave and tried. Now let's see the rhyming scheme of the poem. Said, head, fly, try, all, fall, goodbye, sky, sight, flight, grown, alone, pride, side, ground, round, air, there, cried, tried. This is the rhyming scheme of the poem. Now we are going to learn the poem as one stanza, second stanza. Okay, I will explain the whole poem's theme to you. Now we have read out the poem. Let's see the word meaning one more time. Tranquil means peaceful. Stirred means felt excited. Trembling means shaking. Reeling means moving quickly in circles. Thrilled means pleased and very excited. This is the word meaning of the poem. I have explained you the rhyming scheme of the poem also. Now today what you have to do? Your today's homework is you have to write word meaning and the rhyming scheme of the poem in your notebook literature part. Alright. After this, now we are going to start learning the actual content of the poem. As Unit 5 is inspiring people, means this unit is there to improve our moral support, to make us stable and confident person. We learned from Helen Keller that we have to face each and every difficulty of our life, and this little kite will also show us how we can raise up in our life if we try from the bottom of our heart and if our efforts are honest. Let's see the first few lines. I will explain you one by one. First few lines. I never can do it, the little kite said. Who said I never can do it? The little kite. Why? The big kite nodded, "Ah, well, goodbye. I am off," and he rose toward the tranquil sky. Tranquil means peaceful. Then what happened? The big kite was in hurry to fly up in the sky. He tried to convince him. And what the little kite replied? What was the little kite reply? Little kite replied that he is afraid that he will fall. Then he said, "It's okay, let it be. Now I am going to enjoy the bright, beautiful, peaceful sky." And he started flying high in the sky. Then what happened? Then the little kite's paper stayed at the side. Still means felt excited. Means though the little kite was very feared, still in his mind, in his heart, he was having very excitement to feel the air, okay, to feel the beauty of the sky and to look the ground from the sky, how it will look. So that kind of thoughts were trying to motivate the little kite. His paper was steering, means very felt excited. Okay, he was shivering to feel the greatness, whiteness of the sky. Then what happened? Then the little kite's paper steered at the side, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. Trembling is shaking, means the little kite was started shaking as he was seeing all the kites flying in the air. And their activity motivated him to try at least one time. Then what happened? See, first willing and frightened, then braver grown. While first at his first attempt, it was very feared. It was very frightened to enjoy the flight. Then what happened? Then slowly his confidence built up, and then he started going up higher in the sky. Then first wheeling and frightened, then braver born, up the rose through the air alone. He started rising up in the air. Then till the big kite looking down to see the little one rising steadily. The big kite was very happy to saw him rising steadily up in the sky. At the point of time, the kite was just thinking. Then suddenly it started going up in the sky towards the big kites. Then see what happened? The little one rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride. Pride means honor. He was very confident and he was very happy with its courageous, and then only you will succeed in your life. We learn the unique inspiring people with the story of Helen Keller and the little kite learned to fly. Okay, now today's